it's Taylor Walls, and I would like to present my persuasive speech over partaking in outdoor activities will boost learning effectiveness. Does partaking in outdoor activities actually boost your learning effectiveness? While you can argue either way, I can confidently say that nature does have a positive impact on cognitive functions for all ages. A study in Mind magazine found that time in nature not only increases our ability to pay attention, but it also provides peace for overstimulated minds and refreshes us for new and curious tasks in the future. Do you ever feel tired and exhausted even though you feel like you've received enough sleep? Well, I have, and it's no fun. By simply stepping outside, your mood, actions, and your brain power can greatly improve, even causing other aspects of your life to improve as well. As I said, I often feel tired or exhausted, even though I feel like I got plenty of sleep that night. I chose this topic and even put it to the test. After researching and learning as much as I can about the pros and cons about going outside and the effects it has on learning effectiveness, I decided that I wanted to try it out myself. I decided I was going to go on a quick walk around my block each day before I worked on my homework. I did this for 1 full week. And I personally felt like I was more focused on my work and I turned in better quality of work. This was a very hard time to do it as well since it is finals exams week. Partaking in outdoor activities will boost your learning effectiveness, and everyone should try spending more times outdoors. The need in this case is to partake in outdoor activities while the change is reflected in boosting your learning effectiveness, which is measurable. A USWP research summary showed that outdoor education and play supports emotional, behavioral, and intellectual development. Studies have also shown that students who learn outdoors develop a sense of self-independence, confidence, creativity, decision-making, problem-solving skills, empathy towards others, motor skills, and self-discipline and initiative. Will you start to partake in more outdoor activities? What are some aspects that might turn you away from the idea? Thinking out loud, maybe it is going to be the summer heat, the dusty air, the time it takes to go outside and complete an activity. But will the benefits of partaking in outdoors overpower those negatives? The answer is yes. As the WhitePlainsHospital.org mentions, not only does your cognitive brain power increase, but so does your vision, mental health issues, oxygen levels, and you'll even receive more vitamin D in the process. Partaking in more outdoor activities is a quick and positive solution to improving your learning effectiveness. By changing your habits and spending more time outdoors, your cognitive abilities will most likely improve and maintain a healthier relationship with your learning skills. There's good evidence that spending time outdoors can reduce stress, depression levels, and anxiety, says Josh Lawler. This is one solution that I would like to highlight because mental health is a growing concern, especially for college students like ourselves. The American Psychological Association provided research showing that 41% of college students fight anxiety, 36% battle depression, 35% struggle with mental health problems, and there's so much more information that I could go into, but I would like to focus more on how going outdoors can help everyone with their own learning effectiveness. Now, ideally, I would like to see everyone spend more time outdoors in the future. This would reflect learning effectiveness by improving grades, mental health, and emotions. Learning effectiveness refers to the outcome while learning and the ability to comprehend and use that information with better understanding. Many current standing issues can also be solved, both on a large and smaller scale. Again, I could go into it. I would like to focus more just on that that learning effectiveness aspect compared to going outside. Now, as for that conclusion, now is the time. The outdoors is calling you. Throw on your shoes, partake in an outdoor activity in order to see your learning effectiveness grow. Thank you. Have a good one.